Welcome to Bulgaria, a land of ancient history, breathtaking natural beauty, and vibrant culture, often overlooked but brimming with incredible experiences. From bustling cities to serene mountains and sun-kissed beaches, Bulgaria offers a journey for every traveler. Join us as we explore some of the most amazing places this Balkan treasure has to offer. Amazing places to visit in Bulgaria. Unveiling the Magic, Segment 1. Sofia, where ancient history meets modern life. Our journey begins in Sofia, Bulgaria's dynamic capital city. Here, ancient Roman ruins lie beneath modern streets, and grand Orthodox cathedrals stand alongside contemporary architecture. Explore the iconic Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, wander through the Serdica archaeological complex, and soak in the vibrant atmosphere of this city at the foot of the majestic Vitosha mountain, offering stunning views and outdoor adventures just a short trip away. Segment 2. Plovdiv, Europe's oldest continuously inhabited city. Next, we travel to Plovdiv, a city with a history stretching back over 6,000 years, making it one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in Europe. Wander through its charming old town with its beautifully preserved colorful houses, marvel at the ancient Roman theater still used for performances today, and soak in the artistic vibes of the Kapana Creative District. Plovdiv is a living museum waiting to be explored. Segment 3. The Black Sea Coast. Sun, Sand, and Ancient History. Bulgaria's Black Sea coast offers a diverse range of experiences, from the lively resorts of Sunny Beach to the ancient charm of Nizbar, a UNESCO World Heritage Site perched on a peninsula. Explore the romantic streets of Sozopol, relax on golden sands, and discover the rich history that lines this beautiful coastline. Whether you seek relaxation or adventure, the Black Sea has something for you. Segment 4. The majestic Rila Monastery, a spiritual sanctuary. Nestled in the Rila Mountains, the Rila Monastery is Bulgaria's most iconic spiritual site and a UNESCO World Heritage treasure. Its stunning architecture, vibrant frescoes, and serene mountain setting create a truly awe-inspiring experience. Discover the rich history and artistic beauty of this important cultural and religious landmark. Segment 5. The enchanting Rhodope Mountains, nature's paradise. Venture into the mystical Rhodope Mountains, a land of breathtaking gorges, mysterious caves, and unique rock formations like the stone mushrooms. Explore the dramatic Trigrad and Bynovsko gorges, descend into the fascinating Devil's Throat Cave, and discover charming traditional villages where ancient customs and legends still thrive. The Rhodopes offer a true escape into nature's paradise. Segment 6. Bulgaria's vibrant traditions and festivals. Immerse yourself in Bulgaria's rich cultural heritage by experiencing its vibrant traditions and festivals. From the fascinating kukeri rituals that ward off evil spirits to the fragrant Rose Festival celebrating Bulgaria's rose oil production, and the lively traditional music and dances, these cultural events offer a unique glimpse into the heart and soul of the Bulgarian people. Conclusion. Bulgaria is a land of surprising beauty, rich history, and warm hospitality, waiting to be explored. From its ancient cities to its stunning natural landscapes and vibrant cultural traditions, this Balkan gem offers an unforgettable travel experience. So, pack your bags and get ready to discover the magic of Bulgaria. Bulgaria, your next adventure awaits.